how to turn off Reels on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off Reels on Facebook. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the three dash icon, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the menu section, just tap on the gear icon, which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And now from here, you simply have to scroll down, and there you can see the option labeled as tab bar. So simply tap on it. So here in this section, just tap on the section that says customize the bar. And here, once you are inside the navigation bar, there you can see the Reels option. So here, simply tap on auto beside that Reels option. And now here from the pop-up menu, simply select hide, and that's it. Now you have successfully hidden your Reels, and you can also say that it's have been turned off. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.